Hello everyone, in this video, you will see how to solve the Yahoo Mail verification code problem. Sometimes, verification emails can end up in the spam or junk folder of your email account. Make sure to check these folders regularly and mark any legitimate emails from Yahoo as not spam or move them to your inbox. Ensure that the email address associated with your Yahoo Mail account is correct and up to date. If you are not receiving verification emails, Yahoo may be sending them to an outdated or incorrect email address. If you didn't receive a verification code, try clicking on the option to resend the code on the Yahoo Mail verification page. This can prompt Yahoo to send another code to your email address. Review your email account's filters and rules to ensure they are not blocking or redirecting emails from Yahoo Mail. If you have tried the above steps and still can't receive verification codes, consider reaching out to Yahoo Mail support for assistance. They may be able to investigate further and help resolve the issues. Some services offer alternative verification methods, such as using backup email addresses or phone numbers. Check if Yahoo Mail provides such options and consider using them if you continue to experience verification code problems. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.